Hey guys, today we're doing Stormer XL. Uh, Sorry, it might be a little too far from the camera, but we had to do it like that because it was too tall.
And big.
Yeah, so the camera couldn't.
Pause it right now if you want to see his front. Pause it right now on this side. If you want to see that, the back, pause now. On this side, pause now. Okay. So what do you rate him out of the 10?
I rate him 8 out of 10.
And why?
Because, okay, I really like all this detail, but there's two things that I don't like. I don't like that there's stickers, and I don't like that there's blue. I just don't like it like that. So, but everything else is kind of good.
Well,
I don't know why they really actually added this little thing.
okay, so if I would rate it a 9 out of 10. Why? Just because of the stickers. They should not have made them stickers, just made them pieces that have print. Like that piece, you can see it from here. Okay, so this is the tallest in the Series 4. Yeah, I think he's around as tall as Black Phantom. And is taller than Meltdown, I'm pretty sure he is. If you remember Meltdown from 2 years ago, I think we did a review on him. Yeah, wait, no we didn't. We never did a review on him because we still did a video, but we never uploaded it or something.
So let me actually. I'm upset that he didn't come with his bike. So I don't really get it that much. Speeder Demon King's bike. So
He's a speeder demon. What does speeder supposed to mean then?
okay, I know that. So technically,
Squat.
I'm actually gonna make a bike for him.
Yeah.
Well, first I'm gonna really get a bunch of pieces, and maybe even get another one to just get a bunch of white pieces. But I'm really gonna need some other stickers with those. Okay, here are like those things actually kind of use as a shield, but more likely he shoots them up. He takes them off down and then shoots something. Yeah, you got 5 of those in a set. Yeah, so I was not really expecting here the fact we had stickers.
Again,
In the Hero Factory drop ship, that had stickers. That was necessary because it was supposed to take it apart, so that's okay.
Yeah.
For Stormer, it's not okay. It's actually not. It was just the ship that had stickers, not the figure.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm upset. And those things that shoot off, if you have trouble putting the stickers on there, just let us know, because that's what happened to me. They keep sticking off. But after a while, the time to stay there, but they can
Also, Stormer's the only one with the 3.0 and 2.0 chest right here. It's not the 4.0 one like Max has. And some other heroes and villains. And has this big thing. Hulk had it in Lego Marvel or something, whatever that was.
Lego Marvel superheroes.
Yeah, Lego Marvel superheroes. Hulk had it, but we're not into that stupid Marvel stuff now. We're more into feeling God now. Okay, see ya!